Hi, 皆さん、こんにちは. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to write and read Hiragana, a Japanese character that you usually use to learn Japanese. So let's start. So have you heard about Hiragana? Hiragana is the one of the letters in Japanese, which use in writing, reading, and things in daily Japanese life. So you got three letters in Japan. You got Hiragana, and the second one is katakana, and the third one is kanji. So the first one we are going to learn in this video about hiragana is the basic letters you are using to write words in that originally comes from Japanese, come from Japan. The second one, katakana, is the characters that you use to write and read words comes from other language, for example, from English, from France, and other language. While kanji, which comes from Chinese characters, are also used in Japanese language. Okay, so before we start, I want to ask you to prepare a paper and a pen. Unlike the other videos, I want you to write, not only to watch this video, because watching videos on YouTube is not effective for me. So you have to write at the same time as what I'm doing right now, okay? So I'm going to guide you one by one. By the way, in this series, I'm going to preparing three kind of videos. The first one is this video about the writing hiragana, the basic one. The second one will be about the special symbols, which is maru and tenten. And the third one will be special sounds like ya, yu, yo, tsu, and n. Okay? So let's moving to the hiragana table. I believe you have already prepared your pen and pencil, pens, and paper. If don't, please pause video and then take one. Okay? So I believe you have seen this kind of table, hiragana table. So hiragana table here, it comes from a I, U, A, O, yeah, like this, A, I, U, A, O, and then going from right to the left, like this. You can find some of the books in Japanese, which writes from like from top left to going downstairs, but it depends. If you go into Japanese school, Japanese textbooks for Japanese, they write their own hiragana tables like this. So it starts from the right going to the left like this. Okay, so we are going to look one by one from the right to the left. Okay, let's start. So we start with the first row, I, U, E, O, on the rightmost. Okay, we start with start with like this. Ich, ni, san. This is Ich, ni, san. Okay, you got The second one is I. Ich, ni. Ich, ni. This one is I. The third one is U. Ich, ni. Ich, ni. Okay. The fourth one is E. Ich, ni. Ich, ni. And the last one is O. Ich, ni, san. Ich, ni, san. Okay, we got the first 5. A, I, U, E, O. The next one, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Okay, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. We'll start with the first one, ka. Ka is ich, ni, san. Ich, ni, san. Okay, second one, ki. Ich, ni, san, shi. Ich, ni, san, shi. Ki. Third one, ku. Ich. Ich. Okay. Next one is ke. Ich, ni, san. Ich, ni, san. Ke. And last one is ko. Ich, ni. Ich, ni. Okay. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Next one, we go to sa. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Pay attention that we have this sa, not si, but shi. So you have to pay attention to the pronunciation, okay? Sa, shi, su, se, so. So we start with sa. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? The next one is shi. 1, 1. Okay? Next one is su. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay? The fourth one is se. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And the last one is so. So there's like two ways to write. The first one is like just like the font 1, or some old people or like me, I prefer to use like this 1, 2. Both are the same. Okay, so next one is ta, chi, tsu, te, to. This one is also tricky, so it's not ta, ti, tu, te, to, but it's ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Okay, ta, chi, tsu, te, to. So we start with ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got ta. The second one is chi. 1, 2, 1, 2. The next one is tsu. 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 Okay. Next one is tsu is kind of, yeah, make it better one. Okay. Tsu. Next one is te. Te is like this, and last one is to. Okay, please forgive me if my handwriting is bad because I'm not a calligraphist, but basically this is the same letter you want to read and write and read every day. Okay. Next one is nani nu ne no. Okay, nani nu ne no. We start with na. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, na. Next one is ni. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Nu. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Next one is ne. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ne. And last one is no. 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 Like this. Nani nu ne no. Okay. Next one. We go to ha hi fu he ho. This one is also tricky. It's not ha hi hu he ho. It's ha hi fu he ho. Okay. Fu. So we start with ha. Ha. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next one is hi. 1, 1, hi. Next one is fu. Not who, but fu. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can just connect it like 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So you can choose between 1 or 2. The next one is he. 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 And last one is ho. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Ho. Okay. Next to the next row is ma. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Okay. We start with ma. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next one is mi. Mi is 1, 2. 1, 2. The third one is mu. Mi. Mu. Mu is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And the fourth one is me. 1, 2, 1, 2. And the last one is mo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. The next row is ya, you, yo. So if you pay attention, we don't have the e and the e. You don't have e and ye. No, we don't have that. We just have ya, you, yo. So we start with ya. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next one is you. ich, ni, ich, ni. Kind of, ni, okay. And last one is yo. Ich, ni, ich, okay. Ya, you, yo. And the next row is ra. Ra, di, ru, de, ro. Okay, we start with ra. Ra is ich, ni, ich, ni. Okay. And then second one is we got ri. Ich, ni, ichi, ni. My is really bad. Okay. Third one is ru. Ru is ichi, ichi. Okay. Next one is re. Ich, ni, ich, ni. And ro. Ro is ichi, ichi. Okay. The next row is wa and o. Okay, so there we don't have we don't have wu, we don't have we here, and then here we don't say wo, we say o. Yeah, so we use this wa and o. Okay, wa is the usual one. Ichi, ni, ichi, ni. This one is wa, and the last one is o. Ich, ni, san, ich, ni, san. This one is o. Okay, and this one is just the sound of yeah, n. Okay, you can start. It's just one stroke, like each, like this. Okay, so that is the basic hiragana letters. We got lots of letters here, and again, what the letters are, you have to pay attention. The near one, the similar one, is like ta and na. We also got ne and re, and also wa. Yeah, this is one the same. That the similar one. And also we got me and nu. This one also similar one. And so those are similar letters. You have to pay attention. Don't make mistake. Oh, you got ma and mo, like this. Ha and ho. Yeah. So these kind of letters are quite similar, but you have to pay attention and keep writing again and again. Okay. So this is the basic one, and on the next video, I'll just teach you on some of the symbols. For example, we got the 10-10. For example, if you put ha in 10-10, we got ba, like this, from ha into ba. Or for example, if you have like ta 10-10 becomes da. Or we also have maru, which is if we put ha with maru, it becomes pa, like this. So the sound changes like that. And other kind of symbols and sounds that I will teach you on the next video. So please keep watching, keep studying. 勉強頑張りましょう。はい、さようなら。